This video we will see the product review of Sony WH-1000XM4 wireless over-ear noise cancelling headphones. The Sony WH-1000XM4 is one of the most popular wireless noise cancelling headphones, and this headphone is known for its industry-leading sound quality, noise cancellation and comfort. These headphones are ideal for people who want to block out background noise during travel, work, or casual listening. With up to 30 hours of battery life, quick charge capabilities, and advanced features like touch control and voice control, they offer a premium experience for music lovers and frequent travelers. If you want to buy this headphone, check the link in this video description. Now we will see the product features. First one is best in class noise cancellation. This headphone has industry leading ANC that blocks out external noises and ideal for planes, offices and busy environments. The second one is exceptional sound quality. This headphone equipped with Sony proprietary LDAAC technology and a custom processor. These headphones offer high resolution sound with deep bass and clear treble. Third one is 30 hours of battery life. This headphone provides up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge. And this headphone has quick charge capability, which offering 5 hours of playback after just 10 minutes of charging. The next one is touch control. You can easily control volume, skip tracks, or take calls with touch gestures on the ear cups. Now we will see advanced features of this headphone. First one is speak to chat feature. Automatically pauses the music when you start speaking and resumes the music when you stop speaking. The second one is adaptive sound control. Adjust the level of noise cancellation based on your location or activity. For example, walking, sitting, and traveling. Third one is multi-point connection. This headphone allows pairing with two Bluetooth devices simultaneously. For example, using this headphone, you can connect to your phone and laptop simultaneously. Fourth one is wearing detection. These headphones automatically pause music when you take them off and resume music when you put them back on. Voice assistant and comfort. This headphone has voice assistant support. It works with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Siri for hands-free control. This headphone is comfortable design. It is lightweight and cushioned, providing all-day comfort. And this headphone has DSEE Extreme, which enhances compressed digital music files and improving sound quality. High resolution audio support. This headphone support high resolution audio. This headphone compatible with high resolution audio files for best sound quality. This headphone has LDAC technology. This headphone has Sony proprietary LDAC technology, which allows for high quality audio transmission over the Bluetooth. This headphone support wide frequency response. These headphones offer frequency response of 4 Hz to 40,000 Hz, covering wide range of audio frequencies. Now we will see unboxing experience. When you unbox, you will see the following things. Sony WH-1000XM4 headphone. This is the main product which is carefully packaged for protection. Then you will see carrying case, which is a hard case to protect the headphones during travel. Then you will see USB-C charging cable for charging the headphones. Then you will see aux cable for wired listening. Then you will see airplane adapter for using on airplanes with in-flight entertaining system. Then you will see user manuals which has a detailed instruction for setup and use. Now we will see technical details. Driver size is 40 mm drivers. Frequency response is 4 Hz to 40,000 Hz. Bluetooth version is 5.0. Battery life is up to 30 hours with ANC on. Charging time is approximately 3 hours for full charge. Weight is 254 grams. Audio codecs supported are LDAC, SPC, AAC. Noise cancellation, yes. ANC with multiple modes. Microphone, yes, for calls and voice assistance. Now we will see pros and cons of this headphone. This headphone has industry leading features. First one is best in class ANC. This headphone widely regarded as the industry leader in noise cancellation, perfect for travelers and commuters. Next one is premium sound quality. This headphone support high resolution audio and provides rich, well balanced sound with powerful bass. Next one is long battery life. This headphone support up to 30 hours of playback with ANC enabled and fast charging for quick power boost. This headphone has smart features like speak to chat, adaptive sound control, and wearing detection, which offer a smart and intuitive experience. Comfort and connectivity. This headphone is comfortable for long use. This headphone is lightweight and it has padded ear cups, make it comfortable for extended listening sessions. This headphone supports multi-point Bluetooth connection. We can easily switch between devices without having to reconnect. For example, we can easily switching between phone and laptop without having to reconnect. This headphone has touch controls. This headphone has easy and intuitive touch gestures for controlling playbacks and calls. Now we will see cons of this headphone. First one is premium price. These headphones are more expensive than most of the models, so they may not suitable for everyone's budget. Second one is no water resistance. This headphone is not ideal for outdoor use in rain or for workouts, as this headphone lack water resistance. Next we will see the price. In USD, approximately it is $348 to $379. In Indian rupees, it is around 24,000 to 30,000. Now we will see customer positive feedback. This headphone support excellent noise cancellation. Users rave about how efficiently this headphone blocks out ambient noise, even in loud environments like airplanes or crowded places. This headphone is comfortable design. Many customers highlight how comfortable the headphones feel, even after long hours of wear, making them ideal for long flights or work days. This headphone has superb audio quality. Customer appreciate the clear immersive sound with deep bass and crisp highs. The LDAC codec is priced for streaming high quality music over Bluetooth. This headphone support smart features like speak to chat, adaptive sound control, and automatic pausing when removing the headphones, which are frequently mentioned as useful and convenient. This headphone has a long battery life. The battery life is priced, with the user finding it lasts long enough for days of usage without needing frequent charging. And user appreciate the convenience and simplicity of touch controls for playback and calls. And customers enjoy touch controls, speak to chat, and voice assistant compatibility, which makes the headphones easy to use. Now we will see the conclusion. Exceptional performance. This Sony headphone stand out for their exceptional noise cancellation, premium sound quality, and long battery life, and making them ideal for frequent travelers, commuters, or anyone looking for high quality wireless listening. Investment value. Despite higher price point and some minor drawbacks like no water resistant, their future and overall performance make them worth the investment for serious music listeners. Top tier choice. If you are looking for top tier headphones with excellent noise cancellation, then this Sony headphone is one of the best choices available today. Industry leading features. With industry leading noise cancellation, exceptional sound quality, and smart features, this Sony headphone offer premium audio experience, comfort and convenience. The comfortable design and the long battery life make these headphones perfect for extended use, whether during travel, work, or leisure. Highly recommended. For those seeking the best in wireless audio technology, the Sony WH-1000XM4 comes highly recommended, justifying its premium price point with its outstanding performance and features.